morning, people of the internet. I'm just about to leave Philadelphia and there's been a snowstorm! Ah! This snow is like ankle deep, okay, and we've got to lug suitcases and bags to the bus stop with the family. It's so deep, the snow.
Left here then.
So we're gonna go and find our way home. Well, not home, but you know, we better get moving anyway. So when people at the hostel were telling me it was snowing outside, I didn't realise it was snowing this much. I didn't realise it was this absolute snowstorm of chaos. It's just, ah! In my eyes! So we've just arrived at the station and we've made it through part one of Snowstorm Blizzard.
This is Philadelphia bus station. We've got to get to 30th Street station in a minute.
Which is a 30-minute walk, so I think we're gonna try and get an Uber. And I've got cold toes. So plan is, I didn't really tell you, Mum is headed to New York for a few days. Dad, Clara and I are going back down to Baltimore before then going to Atlanta tomorrow. So we're going back down to visit our cousins, which is going to be really, really cool, and see them for the weekend. And yeah, that's the plan. We've just got to get through this absolute snowstorm.
Made it!
Oh my gosh! Ah! The wind! This is just like nothing I've ever experienced before. Get me on that bus! I think it's up ahead, the mega bus. Oh my gosh. Where's Clara? Dad, at the back. So much snow. Mega bus! Get on! We are off. Bus is underway. Struggling to get out of the snow though, but I think we're going. So we're on the bus. It's about a 3-hour journey from here to Washington. We are then going back to our aunts in Laurel before heading to Atlanta tomorrow. Okay, so while we've got 3 hours to kill, I wanted to mention Frank Sasso, give a shout out to him because I met him yesterday with my dad. They're working on a project together, and Frank's worked on Disney's The Little Mermaid and Beauty and the Beast and things like that, and I know there's loads of Disney fans out there, so yeah, he's really cool. I'll put his website link in the description below, so go and check that out. Now we are on the road. Arrived at Union Station in Washington. Yeah!
Yay!
So now we are going to find the toilet or the restroom because that is very important. Much better. So, the solution to a long journey, a chocolate milkshake! Clara got the Oreo one, Oreo special. I've got the regular Hershey's, is that what they call it? Hershey's chocolate milkshake. It's pretty impressive though. And now we're gonna get on the train.
The metro.
The metro. Back home. Let's go. Yes, what a day, what an absolute cracker. I'm so tired, and tomorrow morning I'm getting up super early for our flight to Atlanta. So I'm going to end this video here. Thanks for watching. If you like this, hit subscribe, join the journey, social links below, and I'll speak to you really, really soon. Peace out.